The Blinkins, the bear, and the blizzard.
With the coming of fall, all of the Blinkins' energy is turned to harvest, to the gathering of the nuts and berries that will last them through the long, cool storms of winter.
Hurry up with your harvest, Blinkins. The first storm of winter may be even earlier than I thought.
Time to get ready for winter.
I think you Blinkins had better get home. This storm is going to get a lot worse before it gets better.
Grog, get Sneed midwinter snack.
But Mr. Sneed, it's snowing.
Go find food for Sneed.
Oh, where are you, Belinda? I miss you so much.
Ooh, a bear caught out in a winter storm. He gets addle-headed and confused, and he ends up crashing and bashing into everything.
Get ready for adventure, excitement, and thrills for children of all ages as the Blinkins tangle with Sneed, the grumpy bear, and his friend Grog, while helping a lost girl find her way home. There's always a lesson to be learned in this top children's video production featuring the magical Blinkins.
What will happen to Flashy?
This is awful.
Who are you? Oh, we're Blinkins. Blinkins? Oh, you're wonderful. I've never seen anything so lovely.
Visit the cutest forest dwellers of them all, the Blinkins, the bear, and the blizzard.